So here's how to fix Instagram notes not showing up. So in order to see the notes, you should click on the messages and you should be able to see the notes here. If it's not showing up, click on your profile logo and then click on the top right menu to open the settings and activity menu. And then scroll until you see account type and tools. Tap on this and now click on switch to professional account. Now next, then you can select a brand type. I'm gonna just select gamer, switch to professional account. Now let's just wait for it. It can take up to 30 seconds as it says below. Now I'm gonna just select creator next, and it should be it. Now if you close this and go back to your home page, click on the messages again, you should see the option to share a note. You can just click on it and then type any note you want. You can even add music to it and then just share it like that. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.